Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So अगर आपको ये चीज़ें पसंद है, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So आज के वीडियो में मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगी my skincare secret and this is something which I have been using कुछ टाइम से and I have seen miraculous result in my skin. अगर आपको जानना है सो मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब एंड इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना. गाइस, सो आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज टू. So I'll tell you what are these, but I have been using them in my skincare regime and they have worked really nicely for me, so I really wanted to share them with you. So this is Reposelle Glow Serum. I have their Glow Serum and the next one I have their Repair Serum. So I'm going to tell you everything about these two products because these are revolutionary products. Let's first of all talk about this one. This is Reposelle Face Serum. This is their Glow Serum. Now this is formulated with crystallite peptide. This is India's first skincare to have crystallite peptide in it. Now what is crystallite peptide? It just helps in long-term glow and improves skin health. It preserves skin transparency and improves skin quality and brings soft effect. Now the hydrating agent they have used here is Hydrof PA, which is more effective than your hyaluronic acid. It has niacinamide, mulberry amino acids and ashwagandha to energize your skin. Doesn't have any chemical fragrance. Okay, the fragrance is very natural. Now benefits of this particular serum is long-term glow, soft polish effect, glowy and dewy skin, improves skin surface quality, petal soft skin and evens out skin tone. So if we talk about the texture of this one, this has a very gentle texture and you know it's not over the top, बहुत ज़्यादा dewy नहीं है. It just gets into your skin in a jiffy. तो आप जैसे ही लगाते हो ये absorb कर लेता है आपके skin में and काफ़ी hydrating है. इसकी जो fragrance है that's very natural, not chemical at all and इसको आपको use करना पड़ेगा. I prefer using this one in the morning. जो दूसरा वाला है I use it in the night. So जो crystallite peptide है वो क्या करता है, मेरे skin को rejuvenate करता है and काफ़ी अच्छा दिखाता है, rejuvenate करता है and मेरे स्किन को काफ़ी ग्लोई और यंग दिखाता है. Now I have seen results. So आप देखोगे वीडियो में जब मैंने इसको ट्राई किया है, just going to give me very nice glow. आपको मेकअप की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती. So that is, it just gives you a Korean skin like effect, glass skin like effect. So yeah, Glow Serum मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया. Now let's talk about the other one, which is this Reposelle Repair Serum. That's how it looks like. Now it comes in a pump packaging, which is very easy to use. So it is formulated with peptide, probiotic and algae. It repairs the skin and suits all skin type. Now it boosts tissue renewal and helps in skin rejuvenation. It has excellent hydration property. It makes skin plump and it works against acne and sagging. Now इसके जो benefits है वो है, it improves tissue renewal and healing, reduces the sign of aging, skin cell turnover is there, then it helps to normalize your sebum production as well. So it is going to give you a very nice skin, plumpy skin. So if you are 30 plus तो आपके लिए ये काफ़ी अच्छा है क्योंकि काफ़ी lightweight है. First of all, you will see the texture, like can you see the texture? It's gel like and it just absorbs into your skin really nicely. So मैं इसको हमेशा रात को लगाती हूँ because you know it just helps in skin renewal process. So I have seen my skin looking plump in the morning. रात को आप इसको अच्छे से लगा लो and in the morning you are going to get a really nice plumpy skin. उसके बाद आप glow serum लगा लो, then your skin is going to look amazing. So both the products are really good, formulated with really nice ingredients which is not available in India. In other Indian products, it is made in India product and for the first time they have revolutionary ingredients in their skincare. So I'm going to leave a link of these two products in the description. Do check it out and let me know if you have already used them and you will not regret using them, that's for sure. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed and if you guys enjoyed, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.